Hello friends, I am Jason, the founder of Service Pro Stream, coming to you as always from the Lehigh foothills of northeastern Pennsylvania. I spent 20 years in the service and repair world, including a decade in appliance repair as a tech and a small service company owner. I know firsthand what it takes to run a small home service business. Along the way, I taught myself to write software code and built my own booking app so my customers could book their own appointment with me online anytime. They loved the convenience, and my phone rang a lot less. That app truly knew my business, my real-time availability, and my schedule, my financial requirements, and my rules for situations like landlord-tenant and warranty, and which jobs needed a call first. It operated like a well-trained receptionist that no one ever had to call. Customers loved the automatic notifications too. Confirmations, then reminders at 48 hours and 24 hours and the day of. Those updates gave them confidence that they had truly booked an appointment with my company. And built-in accuracy tools checked every email, phone number, and address, so I could trust every booking as well. I built a powerful dashboard to run the business and set all my rules, and a mobile-first tech portal to manage my whole day from a smartphone. Send updates, route addresses to my GPS, look up parts by snapping a photo of the data plate, complete the appointment, and send the receipt. I even created smart routing, also known as smart dispatch, which groups appointments by distance so you spend less time driving. Service Pro Stream gives you everything I built for my own business that my customers loved me for. The intelligent booking app, smart notifications, the powerful dashboard, the tech portal, and smart routing. And the greatest part is setup takes about 5 minutes with our fast start, easy onboarding wizard. Try it free for 14 days. No credit card required with full Growth Plus features. Put your booking app link wherever your customers already find you. Google, Facebook, Nextdoor, your website, or embed it with one line of code. If you want to talk to me before deciding, grab a 30-minute meeting with me or email me. The details of how to contact me are in the description box below. This is Jason for Service Pro Stream. Visit us at serviceprostream.com, saying have a great day, and I will talk to you again next time. Bye for now.